Hello, everybody. Today, Madison and I are at the Bayard Arboretum in Oakdale, New York. And as you can see, it's absolutely stunning here. It's a beautiful day. The weather is just perfect. It's not windy, but there's a gentle breeze. As you can see, there's some wild turkeys here roaming around, lots of birds, and blue skies. And once again, I am inviting you to use your ability to attune to this environment. It's very natural. Everything you look at, everything you observe, whether it is with your eyes closed or eyes open, you are attuning to. Wherever you place your focus, you are projecting your spirit and you are attuning to meet with the energy of whatever you're focusing on. See that? You didn't even know that consciously, but this is an act of the spirit. The spirit goes out, your spirit goes out to meet everything that it's focused on, it attunes to. Your soul is witnessing every environment in its own way. And the language of the soul is not really, it's not literal language, it's metaphorical. So it speaks to you in feeling, in sensation, in knowing. So when you are receiving impressions naturally, when you're observing and focusing on something, you're receiving your impressions not through words. You're receiving impressions through how you feel, or what you sense, or what you just know, or what you hear on the inside, right? How it sounds to you. So you might even have a sense through taste or smell. So just become aware now of how you are engaging with this scene before you, with this arboretum. Because right now you're merging with this tree, this plant, this grass, this location on earth. And even the little critters that are on this property. And this earth itself, the rocks, the sand, the dirt, the clay, you're actually attuning with all of it. And every place on earth holds a medicine for the soul. And that medicine speaks to your soul in only the ways that support your goodness. So you'll always receive something, whether you just feel peaceful or you just have a neutral, calm energy, or maybe you feel anxious. Listen to your messaging. Don't be afraid of it and don't judge any of it. Allow yourself to be settled into this space, visiting here as if you are here with me right now. And not just focusing on me, but focusing on everything in this environment. Just be open. You are safe. That's it. And you might want to write down some impressions that you've received. And I'd love to hear about those impressions if you want to leave them in the comments. We always love feedback here at Smiling Hearts. And when you're ready, just, if you would like to, anchor yourself in this moment and maybe put some roots down Give yourself a moment to take a nice deep inhale. That's it. And exhaling everything and anything that does not serve your highest good. And that's a beautiful intention to make, being responsible with your energy and intending that all that is wonderful and joyous and good you allow to touch upon your field of information, your field of energy. And all else has no permission, just falls away. That's right. And whether your eyes are open or closed, you can just intend that your roots from the bottoms of your feet, your ethereal roots, are beginning to form. And just, that's right, those roots are growing down in through the planet. Down in through the dirt, the rock, the sand, the clay. That's right. And some of those roots can take a nice firm hold in the center core of Mother Earth, Pachamama, thanking her for being such a beautiful resource that sustains your bones, your life force, your physical life. Yes. And maybe some of those roots can travel throughout this beautiful space, right? You can send out roots from wherever you are to move through this Arboretum in Oakdale, New York. It's so easy to just intend that and to experience that. The pleasure of this beauty right here in this location. And maybe some of your roots can grow out throughout the planet. Maybe surround and hug the planet warmly and beautifully with gratitude and reverence. Yes. That's it. And just give yourself permission to feel into this space, allowing the sunshine that is present here, the blue sky, to inform your field of energy in all the best ways. Yeah. However you experience that. And giving thanks. Maybe you're feeling the warmth of the sun, or the gentle breeze that's present. Maybe you could feel the earth or experience the dirt just under your feet, soles of your feet. Maybe you can experience the life of this place, all the beings that are growing here, the plant beings, the tree beings, the wild turkeys that are walking around. Maybe you can experience that and in a new way in your being, or touching upon your field of energy, the wisdom of it all. Just sharing consciousness with that, knowing you are part of it, no matter where you live, no matter what location on this planet you're at. You're giving yourself the gift of connection right now and learning that you are connected here, that location doesn't matter, that you are gently affected by this location because your consciousness is traveled and focused here. And isn't that a wonderful thing? Because it's true that whatever is going on in your part of the world is affecting all of the world, everywhere. Your consciousness, your thoughts, your feelings, your judgments, everything affects all life everywhere. So when you give yourself permission to expand your consciousness and to share your goodness like you are right now, all the goodness within you is being shared. All your loving thoughts and all your peace and your witnessing right now is positively affecting this location right now. And you can do that. You have the power to do that because you're connected with all life. So if you're connecting with a part of the world that you feel you resonate with, you can send love there. You can send light there. You can have shared light through your focus and your consciousness when it's deeply felt in your heart and with reverence. You can affect change. And that's why many people gather and focus love, healing, light on places that hold trauma or where trauma is occurring, or tragedy or whatever. Because all of that light, it creates a beautiful rainbow arc in that location. And all the light and all the beings of light and every goodness begins to focus there. Isn't that beautiful? And you have the power to do that. All on your own or in a gathering of others. Within a gathering of others. And if you focus on this part of the world right now, this specific property, this land, this very much alive place, if you were to ask inwardly what medicine, if any, that this location holds for you or would like to share with you, what would that be? And just be open to whatever arises without judgment. And if the land would ask you to share something with it, whether it's peace, love, if it is communicating with you and you feel it resonates with you, what is it that you could offer this land or that you feel inclined to share through your witnessing and observing? And just give thanks now. Give thanks for all of it. Give thanks to yourself for being such a beautiful spirit in this world, and for the power of your observation, the power of your attunement, and the power to be connected freely, openly, and the power of your spirit, which transcends all time, space, and dimension. And give thanks for this property that shares its goodness just for the sake of beauty, for the sake of love, for the sake of life and connection. It is all here for you to observe or not, to witness or not, to attune to or not. And you are liberated in your ability to attune to whatever it is that brings you joy, and share your consciousness in a way that is not limited by any person, place, or thing. And so it is. Giving thanks to your source, to yourself, to the planet, and all life. We wish you a blessed day. Love you. Mwah.